Cut across now to Bangalore, where Pooja is joining us from the Freedom Park. Pooja, hundreds of college students have turned up there this morning.
Well, that's right. Right on a lot of students from across colleges across the city have been pouring in large numbers, missing their classes. Even students from schools have been coming in, IT professionals, people belonging to different groups. All of them have one demand. Anna Hazare's demands are what they are asking for as well. They are ensuring that this doesn't just become a frenzy of sort, and they move around across the city to ensure that Anna's demands are spread awareness about Anna's demands. Let's just try and talk to some of them. What is your message to Anna Hazare?
Just we want this free of India from the corruption, that's all.
So you have been fasting. What is your message to Anna Hazare today?
My message to Anna Hazare is there, we are behind you. It is not that only one or two person, all walks of life. Basically, I am a techie and a businessman. I have left all my business, everything. I am sitting here. Not only me, thousands of my friends have joined. There is a clear message for PM. Please intervene. Immediately try to pass Lokpal bill. We wanted to see this before it could go out of hand. Please, this guy is an uneducated guy. From 5 days, he is coming here and he is fasting. He doesn't know what is corruption. But he is telling, I want India to be corrupt-free. And one more message to all my MPs are, please try to vote for Lokpal bill. We wanted the Lokpal bill to be immediately tabled in the parliament. And we wanted this to be ended here itself. We don't want to spill each and every village.
About 20 people have been fasting from day one, and more people are getting inspired by them. Lot of people, thousands of people across Bangalore have left their education, they've come here to Freedom to support this movement and to ensure that they have a corruption-free India in the coming days.
A message coming from Kiran Bedi of Team Anna earlier at the Ramleela Maidan. Let's listen in.
वॉर अगेंस्ट करप्शन है, ये करप्शन के खिलाफ से आज़ादी है, हमको भ्रष्टाचार से मुक्त होने की आज़ादी है, इसलिए हम भी स्वतंत्रता सेनानी हैं करप्शन भ्रष्टाचार के विरुद्ध आज़ादी के लिए। साथियों, हम सब इतिहास के एक पन्ने बनने वाले हैं। इतिहास के पन्ने बनने के लिए भाग्य चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं भाग्य मिलता है, ऐसे नहीं भाग्य मिलता है। साथियों, अपने आप से पूछो यहाँ क्यों है, आप कैसे आए यहाँ पर, ये भाग्य लाया आपको। आप अपनी डोनेशन ला रहे हो, जैसे मंदिर में जाके प्रसाद चढ़ाते हो, आज इस आजादी में एक डोनेशन देने आए हो। आप किस चीज की डोनेशन दे रहे हो? अपने समय की डोनेशन दे रहे हो। आप सब जिन्हें अपना समय दान कर रहे हो एक आवाज के लिए।
We're all fed up of corruption at every level, right from the little man right to the top. So this is one opportunity which we've been praying would happen, and it has.
We have seen the first national movement, independence movement, where our parents participated. I am running an NGO for the last 26 years. I retired as a professor. I feel the time has come when the youth and all, everybody must get together. We can solve the problem. We are all Indians. Why can't we sort it out by supporting? Why are we dividing it into intellectual group and middle class group? And it's a nation. Everybody is suffering. ये बच्चे आज आ रहे हैं, कल को यही तो नेता बनेंगे। अगर हम सिखाएंगे नहीं तो क्या करेंगे?
I wanted to see how the procession is going on actually. After I listened to Arjun Kejriwal talk one-to-one with the public, I understood what Lokpal actually means. There are a lot of ambiguity. There's a lot of ambiguity in the way the government sees it, in the way the people see it. But we have to make sure that we have to keep the layman in the picture and decide whatever we have to do. The only idea behind this is to take this Jan Lokpal bill inside and move out the Lokpal bill which is putting up by the government. Everybody is taking out the time. Somebody is taking the week off. Somebody is closing their shop. Some old people are coming. Some of the temple persons are coming. So what the idea only behind is this is we want a Jan Lokpal bill because this is for the layman. This is for the normal people.
The country after 64 years is passing through a very bad time. Corrupt money in hundreds and thousands of crores are remitted in the bank in Ceylon, which is a country the whole world has not seen. Democracy is in peril in India today. How? Democracy voters are bribed, the elected representatives are bribed. Where the parliament stands today, the parliament people say they are supreme. We declare 120 crore population of this country are supreme.